wonderful things ripe tomato can do to skin and hair demo. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you are excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. With hundreds of Pinterest boards and blogs offering DIY skincare tips and tricks, achieving radiant blemish-free skin without spending a fortune on serums and treatments is a popular endeavor. As tempting as home solutions can be, many quick fix tutorials are riddled with things you should never use on your skin. You may have been guilty of religiously using these products to clear your acne back in middle school or covering yourself in Vaseline when you were out of moisturizer. And you probably thought there was no harm in being a DIY dermatologist since many home remedies call for products we already consume or use on our bodies in other ways. But turning to grocery aisles for all your skincare needs should be totally out of the question. As it turns out, the same breakouts and dark spots you're hoping to control might only be worsened by things that have no business being slathered on your skin. So how do you get those beautiful skin back? The truth is, getting rid of those skin hair and making it smoother can be an uncomfortable procedure. Waxing, threading, and even laser treatment, a permanent removal process, can be very painful. Using shaving and depilatory creams may encourage new growth, so it is never advisable to shave or depilate excessive hair growth on the skin. Though homemade and natural methods of hiding facial hair give mixed results, it provides an inexpensive temporary solution to a personal problem. To achieve that, you need the following ingredients. Tomatoes. When it comes to skincare, tomatoes are one of my favorite and most effective remedies for clear and clean skin. Not only are these humble, robust red balls full of nutrients, but also highly effective in healing and clarifying the skin. Slightly acidic, tomatoes contain high contents of potassium and vitamin C. This transforms the dullest of skins and restores glow to the skin. Tomatoes also have lycopene, which is an antioxidant that helps to fight free radicals in the body. Apart from this, it helps treat skin problems related to aging and sun damage, therefore making it a great skin rejuvenator. Due to their astringent properties, tomatoes help reduce excess sebum on the skin surface, preventing oil buildup, which further reduces the chances of blackheads and whiteheads. Since they have pore shrinking properties and help tighten the skin, chances of acne and pimples are also greatly reduced. This makes tomato a versatile and popular ingredient for problematic skin conditions. Loaded with antioxidants, they are known to lighten dark spots and helps the skin remain youthful as well as brighter. Tomatoes also work as a natural astringent that helps tighten the skin as well as shrink large pores, leaving the skin tight and glowing. Tomatoes also work perfectly to lighten the skin for an even skin tone or to clear dark spots and to reduce open pores and blackheads. Not only do tomatoes act as an astringent, but also help wake up the dullest of skins, allowing your skin not only to be lighter, but it will also feel refreshed and taut. Coming with vitamin C and A, not only does tomato give the skin a fresher and fairer look, but it helps reduce the effects of sunburn as well. Even if you have sunburn rashes, it will soothe the skin, reduce heat on the skin surface, and also even out the redness caused by sunburn. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is a daily essential for almost every single person on this planet. It whitens, brightens, cleanse your teeth and tongue, but did you know it has many other uses? Toothpaste contains antibacterial and bleaching agents that kill bacteria that cause pimples. Toothpaste can be used to lighten dark spots and reduce pimples. From household cleaning to beauty uses, toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne. Wrinkles can be lightened with the help of toothpaste too. With the help of toothpaste for skincare, getting rid of that nasty dark or black lines is made simple. Oily skin can be treated with the help of toothpaste. So, how can you use tomatoes and toothpaste to achieve the best skincare? Procedure. Take a clean bowl. take a ripe tomato. Slice tomato into two. Remove the seed and squeeze out the tomato juice. Add 1/4 tablespoon of Colgate toothpaste to the tomato juice. Mix properly. Ready for use. Apply gently on the skin spot and rub thoroughly in a circular manner. Leave it for 20 minutes. Now wash your skin with cold water. How often to use? Use 2 to 3 times in a week for better result. These remedies are not only effective in removing all kinds of spots but also helps in reducing swelling and redness of pimples, acne, dark patches, improves skin complexion, and boosts facial glow. Once you achieve your goal, continue with this routine at least 2 or 3 times a week to sustain the decreased melanin content in your lightened skin. For best results, during and after initial treatment with natural remedies or professional skin procedures, it is also important to stay out of the sun or use a sunscreen of at least 30 SPF to prevent sun damage and recurrent hyperpigmentation. And there you have it, the wonderful work of tomato and toothpaste in removing unwanted hair and smoothing the skin. Use it in your daily skincare to treat your skin and use it in your cooking to give maximum healthcare benefits. As you may well know that tomatoes are great for lowering blood pressure, preventing clots, and lowering cholesterol. They are great for healthy bones and teeth and help reduce cell damage and tissue damage. Apart from this, tomato seeds help improve eyesight as well. So bring tomatoes to your rescue and use them efficiently in your skincare regime. Start right away and see the magical effects on your skin in no time at all. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.